back up and get us turned around in case we have to.
We can't get in.
Is it locked?
Maybe.
Yeah, I heard a hoop. No, there was not a hoop. There was a whoa. That's the first time I've ever heard that. Nothing. No. I mean, I don't know. Back up. Never heard nothing like that, and I've been in the woods a lot. That's pretty wild.